What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the recently concluded UAAP Season 87 Cheer Dance Competition, and we are going to do a reaction video for the performance of this year's champion. Yes, that is NU Pep Squad. Yes, nako na, ibalik na nga sa NU ang Corona this year, and this is their 8th winning championship sa podium ng UAAP Cheer Dance Competition. Ako nag-tie na nga sila with UST and UP who has 8-time championship record. Ako nakaka-excite to guys dahil grabe halimaw daw ang NU Pep Squad. Kaya naman tingnan natin kasi alam naman natin that like in just 11 years season, nakawalo na agad silang championship guys. Talagang iba ang NU over the years na itong mga nakaraang taon na talaga naman laging inaabangan. Kaya tingnan natin ano ba ang mga bagong ihahain ng NU Pep Squad for this year's UAAP Cheer Dance Competition that deserve the title. Yan ang ating titingnan. But before we proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we're playing 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Shout out to Talented Pinoys for uploading this audience video para full shot yung mapapanood natin. Grabe ganda ng costume nila guys. And Universe, yun ang kanilang team. Grabe. Umpisa pa lang. Fudge! Oh my god. Guys, as you can see, sobrang ganda ng transition ng NU at saka ang strong no, yung pag nagpi-pyramid sila and nagpa-partner stunts, talagang matatag yung baseline at hindi nagwa-wobble. Hagis-hagis lang pa. Uy, bago to guys. This is so new. Nakita nyo naman, para nagpapahinga lang sa itaas. Oo, maning-mani lang sa kanila. Ganda ng palitan. Ooh! And you can hear the crowd guys kasi oh my god! Ang ganda nun! Tatlo sa taas guys. As you can see, sobrang ganda ng base nila talaga. Super strong. Galing. Love the outfit. And the synchronization. Grabe. Iisa yung galaw, no? Wow! Look at that! Ang ganda ng wide angle shot na to. Oh my god. Super ganda tignan kapag sabay-sabay sila tumatumbling. Those stunts tapos nagdo-double twist pa sila. Galing. Iisa yung galaw. Ay, may naglag. Oh, may isa silang naglag. But look at that. Bawing-bawi sa level of difficulty. Iba. Transition. Succession pala. Look at that. Sabay-sabay. Nag-double twist sila sa ere. Tapos sabay-sabay ang bagsak. Di mo alam kung sino yung babae, sino yung lalaki guys. Iisang galaw. Oh, and just a trivia guys, the guy in the middle, may ano siya sa kamay. Hindi siya yung normal yung kamay niya, but he can do those tumblings na napaka-smooth. Grabe, saludo sa'yo bro. Galing. Look at that. And the crowd, grabe. At balita ko may change costume sila dito. Oh! Nakita niyo yan? Another new stunt from NU Pep Squad. Grabe, naglakad sa ere guys. Gumanon sa ere. Oh. Balikan natin ang very light. Tignan niyo. Look at this. Kitang-kita sa top view. Nag-semi-split sa ere tapos tumayo sa taas. Nakita niyo yan, ano lang siya. Mag-isa lang yung may hawak sa kanya. Tapos naka-double. Sila partner stunt. Galing. yun? Ang daming bagong pinapakita ng NU, grabe. At naglalakad sila, guys. Ooh! Sobrang hirap nun, guys. Biruin mo magdo-double trick sila. Tapos, hindi sila bababa ng mat. Nakaangat pa rin. Galing. Saka yung pag-angat na dito yung babae. Sobrang galing nun. Ballerina. Ayan! Diba? From astronaut to alienation. Jeris, diba? And universe as its best. Fairness, pati ang dance nila ngayon. Ganda nun. Ang ganda ng outfit nila. Kala mo open yung guys. Look at the precision, guys. Saka yung floor moves nila, no? Smooth, linis. Oh, look at that succession. Balikan natin yun, guys. Look at this succession, grabe. Ang ganda. Look at that. Awesome. Ang ganda ng tight, pagka-tight ng ng uniform. Pyramids. Laki yung dalawa. And the flyer. Ginawa tayong electric fan, guys. Sabi nga ng friend ko, Jisoo Live. May pa Jisoo Live effects na ngayon. Jisoo Live stunt from NU Fab Squad. Balikan natin. Grabe. The serve. Grabe. Taas din. Ayun. Not one, not two, but thrice. Puta kayo. Shoot, ganda. Ganda ng pyramid na yun. Saka pa, they're making it look so easy. Wow, triple twist. Tapos naglalakad. Grabe. May pa-prop sila. Umbrella. UFO. Grabe yung tumblings nila. The level of difficulty, for sure, dun sila humakot ng bonggang score. Plus, yung nila, precision, ganda. Look at that! The serve. Halimaw talaga. Wait lang, guys. Nakita niyo inangat isang kamay. One hand ang pag-lift. Then split sa area, guys. Perfect. Galing, ang smooth. Ang linis. Ay, succession. Kabog. Superman yun, Grabe. Saka ang tataas ng nila, ng toss. Sabay-sabay, guys. They dance as one. Shoota. Galing. Kita nyo yun? Isang... Hold on, guys. Grabe. Only NU can do this for now. Grabe. Iba yun. Nakita nyo yung bumubuo ng pyramid. Tapos hinagis. Tapos paglapag, nakatayo agad. Wala man ng kawabol-wabol. Talagang pinagpracticean, pinaghandaan. Look at this dance, guys. Grabe naman pala talaga. Ayun, nag-split ko before. Galing. Whoa! Oh my God! That ending pyramid, grabe. Naka-Superman po, 3 sa taas. 2 yung nasa pinakataas. Kabog. Ayun na. Gamit na ng props. Ganda! Kabog ng NU talaga. Ah! And they changed no kung alien. Galing! Eh! What the fudge? Grabe to, NU! There you have it, guys. That is NU Pep Squad, the champion of UAAP Season 87 Cheer Dance Competition. Grabe, halimaw, wow na wow. Grabe yun, iba. Ang daming bagong stunts na ginawa ng NU this year. At talaga naman, pinatunayan nila na kanila ang corona this year. Binabawi na nila kasi last year, FEU got the crown at talaga naman, magaling sila last year, super, pero I think yung nilamang ng FEU last year is a little bit more of entertainment, di ba? Kasi meron silang pasabog na Mario slow-mo effect last year, which is really tumatak sa mga tao. Pero this year, the stunts, bago, the transition, the precision, yung floor dance nila, ang ganda, sobrang ganda na in-improve. Sobrang galing na nila, ginalingan pa nila lalo, kaya naman deserve na deserve. And those pyramids, plus hindi lang yung stunts, hindi lang yung dance, the costume was amazing. The theme, very intact yung kanilang theme this year. Sobrang mapapawaw ka talaga. I imagine those people who's watching sa arena, talaga naman, the emotion, grabe yung mapapanganga ka. Kasi ito, naka-wide view, talagang kitang-kita natin yung buong routine nila. Kasi di ba pag dun sa one sport, medyo mag-iiba ng transition, mga pa-close-up, close-up. Ito kitang-kita natin ang buo. Kaya naman, sobrang na-appreciate natin yung performance ng NU, and the way they did it was exceptional. Truly deserved ng championship this year. Kaya naman, good job NU, and congratulations for bringing home the crown this year. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.